How to create an SOP in ClickUp 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about ClickUp and how you can go ahead and create an SOP for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way. So, what you're going to be doing is when you're in your ClickUp, simply go over to Ask AI. Okay, and once you go over to Ask AI, what you're simply going to be doing over here is you're going to ask it to create SOP. Okay, once you click on Create SOP, what it's going to do is it's going to say to create a standard operating procedure, I'll need a bit more information. So it says if you have a particular location in your workspace where you would like this SOP document, let me know as well. So what you can do is you're going to be creating a document for the AI. So I'm going to call this, let's say, SOP. Okay. Now, once that is done, what you're going to do is you're basically going to go ahead and ask it to create SOP. Okay. So you're going to write that down here. Simply click on forward again. And as you can see, it's going to go ahead and give you a proper SOP document in the form of AI. Okay. And that is basically how easy and simple it is to create an SOP in ClickUp. Okay. You can use its very own AI to generate one for yourself. So that is basically how easy and simple it is. So thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.